On the banks of the Lehigh River in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, once stood the massive flagship plant for Bethlehem Steel. A 5-mile stretch here had blast furnaces, manufacturing facilities, and machine shops that at its peak employed 30,000 people and ran 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These decaying remnants are all that are left today. At its height in the mid-20th century, Bethlehem Steel, which had 300,000 employees at sites nationwide, was the second largest steel producer in the world. Its origins go back to 1857 with the Bethlehem Iron Company. The demands of the Civil War and the need for iron railroad rails led to the early success of the company. A group of investors and railroaders founded the Bethlehem Steel Company in 1899. Soon after, they purchased the Bethlehem Iron Company. In 1904, it became known as the Bethlehem Steel Corporation. Their steel helped the Allied powers win both world wars as they made warships and ammunition. 80% of Manhattan's skyline has Bethlehem Steel, including the Empire State Building, Rockefeller Center, the Manhattan Company Building, and Madison Square Garden. Their steel was used for other American landmarks, like the Hoover Dam and the Golden Gate Bridge. An increased reliance on foreign steel, newer forms of manufacturing, and poor business management led to Bethlehem Steel's decline beginning in the 1970s. Layoffs and plant closings continued until November of 1995, when the last steel ever made here at the Bethlehem plant was poured. The Bethlehem Steel Corporation filed for bankruptcy in 2001 and was formally dissolved in 2003, marking the end of this significant American industry giant.